Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 screen rotation not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and click on this icon and then click on restart, and after restarting it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store, and after opening Play Store go to search bar and search sensor test. Now from here install this application and then click on open, and then click on accelerometer test. Now from here test all your sensors. If they are working properly, then go back to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings, and now here again click on reset settings to confirm, and then enter your lock screen password.